NASA has increased the chances of the city-killing asteroid YR24 smashing into Earth in 2032, making it the most threatening space rock ever recorded by modern forecasting. The space agency revealed Tuesday the risk now sits at 3.1%, a 5% increase from the previous prediction, or 1 in 32 odds of impact on December 22, 2032. This revelation has everyone asking, how do we even measure the distance to an asteroid this quickly? 2 years ago, scientists proposed a new way to do this fast and recently proved its effectiveness. Let's dive into how it works. First, a bit of context. Scientists know about 37,000 objects that come closer to the Sun than 1.3 astronomical units. Most of these are near-Earth asteroids, and while some are comets, all of them could potentially change their trajectory to collide with our planet. Traditionally, tracking an asteroid's trajectory involves observing it over multiple nights and comparing its position in photographs. This method works for larger asteroids in the main belt but is tricky for smaller near-Earth asteroids, which can be as small as 200, 400 meters. Enter the new method. It still uses parallactic displacement, observing an asteroid against distant stars, but focuses on Earth's daily rotation rather than its orbital motion. Here's how it works. By observing an asteroid throughout one night, or using multiple telescopes around the world, scientists can calculate the change in distance. Recently, researchers tested this method with simulated asteroids, gathering data on 19 fictitious rocks. They successfully determined their distances, proving the method's viability. The next step is applying this method to real objects. The Vera Rubin Observatory, set to begin operations in July 2025, will be instrumental in this endeavor. And there you have it. If you found this video enlightening, please give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow space enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates from the cosmos. Thanks for watching.